Services Committee, Ms. Bordello.
Gentlelady is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. As a member of the House Armed Services Committee, I rise in support of the bill before us. And let me briefly highlight three provisions of which I'm very proud. First, the legislation increases the number of nominations to a military academy that a delegate may have. Second, the Act authorizes a new 5-year pilot program for invasive species eradication on military installations in Guam. And third, the legislation includes 2 military construction projects for Guam in fiscal year 2004. It authorizes $1.7 million for the construction of the Victor Warfender system for our nuclear submarines, and it authorizes $25 million for the construction of a new medical and dental clinic at Andersen Air Force Base. Much could be said, Mr. Speaker, as to the procedure by which contentious aspects of this legislation have appeared, such as the civil service provisions. But nonetheless, I am pleased that we have taken action to strengthen the defense of our nation through this piece of legislation. And I'd like to thank Chairman Hunter and Ranking Member Skelton for managing this challenging process and yield back the balance of my time.
The gentlelady's time has expired. Mr. Bartlett.